Hi, today I've got a Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first we should launch the settings and then scroll down to the wallpaper section. Here you'll see the online wallpapers. You could use them, but be sure that you are connected to the internet, to the mobile data or to the Wi-Fi. If you want to use default wallpapers on your device, switch wallpaper to profile, tap the wallpaper section, and here you'll see all of the available wallpapers. The defaults. Also, you could click to this plus icon and to use photos from your device gallery, file manager, files, Google Photos or Google Drive. So let's just use one from the default photos. So for example, this one, just we could tap to preview, click apply and tap set as lock screen. You could use the wallpaper carousel, you just could keep it on or just to turn it off. So now we can see the message that the lock screen wallpaper applied successfully. Let's check and we can see that we just successfully change our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we get one more way how we can do that. Just hold for a while the home screen, then tap on the left down corner the wallpaper icon, and by the same way just use online wallpaper or the defaults. Let's use one from the online wallpapers, for example this one. Just tap apply, set as lock screen. If you want to use the carousel, just you could turn it on off if you want, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.